Continues with sports right after the break.
Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I am Daedran. French fraud. Dancehall artist Conscience took to Instagram yesterday to clarify rumors surrounding a performance at a show in France for the new year. The recording artist uploaded a poster of the event with his image and called it fraud. He also captioned it saying, "To my fans in France, do not be fooled. I will not be in Europe anytime this December or January." Conscience also addressed the promoters saying, quote, "If you're a new or first-time promoter trying it out, I'm sorry you got exposed to the crooks and con artists on your first attempt. However, if you're a seasoned promoter and actually thought you could book one of the biggest dancehall acts for 4K euro and for New Year's too, shame on you." End quote. Conscience remains one of the most consistent acts in dancehall. He recently tied the knot with his longtime girlfriend, LaToya Wright. After their debut showcase at the Rebel Salute 2017, and with the rave reviews they received from their Reggae Sumfest performance this year, the Persons of Interest band is back in the spotlight. The band's lead vocalist, Manifa Henry, shares their story.
We've released 2 singles so far this year for 2017. We released one called Summer Mood, and this new single that we've just released is called Love Is The Way. We're almost up to 100,000 views on Facebook. We've been getting a lot of airplay. It's been being very well received because, I mean, even what's happening right now, crime is always around, but that song was actually born out of an initiative, Entertainers Against Crime and Violence, and that song was born out of that initiative.
The 3.5-year-old band has managed to snag a new record deal and is gearing up for the release of a new album and shared their plans for the new year.
13 to 14 tracks on the album. Some that you've heard so far for those who know Persons of Interest, and some new ones that we're very excited to finish up. We just recently signed our management deal with Abood Music, which is based in London, and we've done the two singles that we've released this year have been under their umbrella, and they have been getting us airplay on BBC radio with David Rodigan, which is a major thing, Ras Kwame as well. Coming next year, we're actually going to do a soft starting, the grand beginning of our Reggae Dub Village in Ocho, so we want everybody to look out for that as well.
And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.